Hello, my name is Rossella and today I'm going to do chapter 4 in this book. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel to be the first one to watch my next video. And remember, you can find me on Facebook, Theory Virtuoso, and Instagram, Theory Virtuoso. The links are in the description below. You can also visit my website, theoryvirtuoso.com, where you can find all the videos that I publish. Thank you for watching. Bye!
This chapter 4 is about keys and scales, part 1. So it's about E major and A flat major scale. E major has 4 sharps and A flat 4 flats. And in this exercise number 1, we need to add the accidentals to make the scales correct. Now, what are the flats of A major? A flat major, you need to know the order of flats and sharps. Let's do the sharps first. Fa, do, sol, re. And then la, mi, si. La, mi, si. Fun colouring gigantic drawings after eating breakfast. The first 4 are the 4 sharps in E major. The flats, the order of the flats is backwards. So si, mi, la, re, sol, do, fa. Big elephants, 8 dinosaurs, goat, cheese and figs. Backwards, okay? And the first 4 are in the key signature of A flat major. Now, what do? Easy. We know the notes, so we put a flat where the note is. For example, B flat. Where is B? Here. Flat. Next one, E, la, si, do, re, mi. Here, flat. And by the way, make sure that the B goes on the same line or space of the note to which it relates to. La, A, the first one, and don't forget the last one, because A flat major starts and ends on A flat. So here. Si, mi, la, re. So where is it? La, si, do, re. Here it is. Now, to confirm this visually, we need to see 4 flats plus 1 because it's the last one. Okay, does it make sense? That's so quick when you have them. Now, you can write them down or you can remember them, or you can think of playing it on a keyboard, for instance. That's up to you. I'm using just what I believe is the quickest and safest way of answering the questions. You can use your favorite technique. What you need to think of is how to be correct. E major has these 4 sharps. So let's find out. Mi. You can also do this. Mi, re, yes, sharp. Do, yes, sharp. Si, no, there's no B here. La, outside of our box. Sol, yes. Fa, yes. Mi, can't be sharp because it's E major, not E sharp major. That's it. We would need to see 4 sharps and here they are. Sorted. Now I would use this technique of note by note on this scale because look at here, all the ledger lines. I feel really discouraged by it, but actually I go the other way around. I go upwards. La, flat. Si, B. Yes, flat. Do, re, yes, flat. Mi, yes, flat. Fa, no. Sol, no. La, yes. La flat must start and finish on A flat. And here they are. I can also double check if they are the same. Yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no, No, yes. Cool. Okay, the last one. Oh, too many ledger lines here. I start from the end. Mi. No. Re. Yes. Do. Yes. Si. No. La. No. Sol. Yes. Fa. Yes, that's the first one. And mi again. No. So I can also check if there are 4. Yes, there are 4. I can also double check with here. Mi, re, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi. Yeah, cool. I hope I made it easier, guys, for you. But as you can see, the most important thing to remember is the order of the notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Once you know these very well, even with ABC, you can do anything you like, really. What is important is that you're really good at this. Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Mi, re, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi. From any note, you need to be really, 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 really quick. Okay, exercise 2. We need to circle true or false for each of the statements. G is the 3rd degree of the scale of E major. Now, E major, as we said in the previous exercise, has 4 sharps: Fa, Do, Sol, Re. Fun coloring gigantic drawings. And the flats are Si, Mi, La, Re. These are the 4 flats of A flat major. Now G is the 3rd degree of E major. Now first of all, is it the 3rd degree? Mi, Fa, Sol. Yes, it is. Now we need to check if it's sharp or not. Yes, it is. So G and G sharp are 2 different notes. So false. Is D flat the 4th degree of A flat major? Let's see. First of all, if it's 4. La, si, do, re. Yes, it's the 4th. Now, is D flat? Yes. So, true. There are 4 flats in the key signature of E major. No sharps, no flats. False. And that was really, really quick. Exercise 3. In this exercise 3, we need to write the notes that are indicated as degrees, and we must include the accidentals as well. Again, let's write the sharps: Fa, Do, Sol, Re, so 4 sharps and 4 flats. Si, mi, mi, la, re. All right. This is clearly E major. The 7th degree of E major is, let's count, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. So it's a D. Now we need to see whether, that's nearly a do. We need to see whether this D is sharp or not. Is it included? Yes. So sharp. And make sure that your sharp is really on the same line of the note to which it belongs. Otherwise, you make a mistake. Again, E is the tonic, so E major. The 3rd degree is 3 notes above, and that's G. Mi, Fa, Sol. Now, is Sol sharp? Yes. It's in the group of sharps. A major in bass clef. Doesn't really matter, it's the same. We can, if you can't remember how to write, you can write 4 a note that is 4 steps above. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 is here. Okay, so this note is a D. Okay, now la, si, do, re, it's a D. Do we have it in our group? Yes, of course. Flat. Brilliant. Mi, E major. The 8th degree is another tonic. So it's here. It's just one below the F line. The bass clef is called F clef because it starts on the 4th line, the line of F. And if you want to revise this, click on the link in the description below or on the card up here. You will be directed to a playlist including 4 videos about clefs and the notes in all the clefs. They are really useful. I'm not trying to sell my products, but they are really useful. Anyway, so fa, mi, and this is the tonic, the 8th degree again. That's the tonic, an octave above basically. Another mi major, E major scale, 4th, mi, fa, sol, la. That's the 4th degree. Is it sharp? No. So that's it. Finished. Let's continue. A flat, so that's the flat scale. The 6th degree, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, and F. Is it flat? Nope. So, sorted. Another La flat, and we need a second up. So the 2nd degree is B. Is it flat? Of course, yes. La is the tonic, A flat again. So a 3rd above is Do. Is it flat? Nope. So completed. I hope this makes sense and it was useful. And I hope that you are just checking your answers and they were all correct. Let me know how it goes, and if my video is helpful. I always read your comments and I always reply. Now, exercise 4. Here they want us to recap what we have learned in the previous grades. So let's have a look. If you want to revise the key signatures and my system that doesn't use the circle of fifths, you can click on the link in the description below. Is again another series of videos, or you can click on the card up here. There are tutorials on key signatures and all you need to know about them. One sharp, okay, when we have one sharp we just go one semitone higher and we find the key. So fa sharp plus one semitone G. This is G major. One flat is F major. We need to remember this. And here fa, do, sol, re. Again, the order of sharps and flats is the most important thing. Fa, do, sol, re. And then of the flats is si, mi, la, re. Fun coloring gigantic drawings. Big elephants ate dinosaurs. Watch the videos if you want to know what I'm saying here. Okay, the last sharp is D plus one semitone E. So this is E major. For the flats, we take the penultimate. Si, mi, la. This is A flat major. Make sure that you don't say A major here because A major has sharps. Okay, so with the flats you take the penultimate and that is the key. Si, mi, la, A flat major. 3 sharps again, last one plus one semitone. G sharp is the last one, plus one semitone, A major. And here it is, what I was saying. 4 flats is A flat, but 3 sharps, A major, it has 3 sharps, so it's totally different. Here, penultimate, B flat, so B flat major. See how quick it is? Penultimate flat, E flat. So E flat major. Cool. Last sharp plus 1 semitone. So C sharp plus 1 semitone, D major. So what you need to do here is not to get confused with the system. Last sharp, penultimate flat. Last sharp, penultimate flat. Penultimate flat, last sharp. But once you know this, it's all very cool and quick. Exercise 5. In this exercise, we need to circle the correct key of the melodies. All right. Fun coloring gigantic drawings after eating breakfast. Why not to say it? Flats, backwards. Big elephants ate dinosaurs, goat, cheese and figs. Fa do sorella mi si, similare sul do fa. Perfect. Now let's see. What do we do here? We find out, first of all, sharps or flats? Well, sharps. Now, do sharp, re sharp. What am I doing? I have to identify the last sharp of the key signature. Fa, sol. The same here. So I believe the last sharp here is D. D sharp plus 1 semitone is E. So this song is in E major. This piece is in E major. Here it is. Next one. Flats. So Mi flat, La flat, Re flat, B flat, La flat, B and La. Okay, here we need to identify the penultimate flat in our key signature, and it's A. So this piece is in A flat major. That's all. That's all we need to do, really, honestly. Let's go on. B flat, Mi flat, B flat, La flat, Mi flat, B flat, Mi flat, La flat, B flat, all repeated. I believe that the penultimate flat is E, so is in E flat major, because we have 3 flats in this piece. Last one with sharps. Do sharp, Fa sharp, So sharp, So sharp, Fa sharp, So sharp, Fa sharp. Okay, the last sharp in the key signature is G. Plus 1 semitone, A. This piece is in A major. This is a beautiful piece. I think it's for piano and orchestra. Beautiful. Okay, sorted. As you can see, I visualized the key signature in a different way, and I've identified what I needed for my system. Penultimate flat with flats, and last sharp if I have sharps in my piece. Now, please let me know, is this helpful? Is my system that doesn't use the circle of fifths better than the system with fifths? Can you let me know, please? Thank you. Lastly, a sort of challenge which they call test. Test your progress, okay? I think sometimes it's good that all of us would write the key signatures that we know in order. One sharp, 2 flat, 2 sharps, 3 for all the sharps and all the flats. Sometimes it's good. So we need to write E major. All right then. Fa, Do, Sol, Re. What am I doing? I'm writing in correspondence of the note the sharp, making sure that the middle of this goes where the note is supposed to be. In bass clef, that would be the same, but the notes are written in bass clef, and so the accidentals. So Fa on the Fa line, Do, Sol, Re. That's the same thing. The second key signature is A flat major, which we said has 4 flats. So Si, Mi, La, Re. And in bass clef is the same. Si, Mi, La, Re. Go and watch my videos about key signatures. It is very useful for the purposes of this exercise. Next, E flat major, we said that it has 3 flats because E flat is our penultimate flat in the key signature. So Si, Mi, La. Here it is. And in bass clef is the same, but 2 notes down. So Si, Mi, La. Lastly, A major has 3 sharps because A major minus 1 semitone is G sharp, and G is the last sharp in our key signature. So in order, Fa, Do, Sol, and G is the last one. In bass clef again, the same, but 2 notes down in the on the stave. Fa, Do, and Sol. And with this, we have completed the first chapter in the book, in this grade 3 book that talks about keys and scales. Now we have another one, a longer one to deal with, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye. I hope this video was helpful, and remember to like it and share it with your friends. If it was useful for you, it will be useful for other people too. Now, if you're looking for other chapters of Discovering Music Theory Grade 3, you only need to click there and find the chapter you're looking for. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!